You don't have the
Hey,
same
boss.
tag that's in the...
I'm waiting for my custom plate.
Oh, okay.
The name?
Tyler?
Yeah.
Do you remember your old tag number?
And
Pod?
yeah, it's right here. If I'm just waiting for my custom plate, and you're right here on my phone.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry, I used to work for Uber, so I take all the precautions.
Oh no, it's all good. It's all good.
you
Yeah, I'm
for
just
being
waiting
so
for.
easy.
I'm just waiting for my custom plate.
No, you're good.
Because it's I think my custom. Oh yeah, it's OZYPOD.
Okay. The Uber app says OZPOD, so...
OZP.
OZ, yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
wife did it. It's for Ozzy Osbourne and Prince of Darkness.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That's
I
why.
love
That's why we had it.
Oh, that is sick,
So I get it.
dude.
So that's why we did the custom plate with this one. So I get another black one next week, and so that one is gonna be a black one just like this one, and I think I'm gonna put that one as Spaceball 1.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Yeah. So or Lord Helmet. I'm not sure yet. I don't know what I want to do yet, but it's got to be Spaceballs.
Yeah, absolutely. That's awesome. Oh man.
I figured everybody gets a kick out of that. Yeah, because it's definitely a good little license plate that I have. The custom plate one.
For a company in Tennessee, and we got free tickets because we use the product Okta.
Okay.
For Octane, I don't know if you've heard of it. It's one of the conferences. It's the major conferences here, and our company sent me and my other senior engineer
Interesting.
to the conference. It's so much free shit.
Octane is what specifically?
It's a conference for the Okta product.
Okay.
So it's like a identity governance solution.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in cybersecurity.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, I think that's probably one of the best fields to get into.
Yes, absolutely.
I mean-
also one of the most lucrative.
But yeah, no,
to get into.
I agree. The salary is absolutely great there, and I mean, I make good money. I think
On Uber, yeah.
Well, I
bet you
mean,
do.
this is just one.
Oh,
but my
gotcha.
full-time job with Amazon, I mean, I make great money
Yeah.
there, doing maintenance work for them, and since I've been in the game for so long.
Oh yeah, if you've been doing maintenance work for a long time,
that blue collar work.
yeah, you get hired at a pretty good rate if you got the experience for sure.
Yes, I do.
It's the same thing with cybersecurity.
Yeah.
I've been doing it since I worked for Koch Industries back in Kansas.
Oh wow.
Not Coca-Cola.
No,
KOCH.
KOCH,
Yeah,
yeah.
The Koch brothers.
The Koch
yeah.
brothers.
I did 8 Access Management there, which is a subsidiary of cybersecurity.
So, aren't you afraid that maybe AI might take over your job in that sense?
Nope.
No, right? Because are you maintaining AI too on top of that, or are you looking out for AI?
We have a separate team actually at my company for
Oh.
AI. We've actually developed and built and deployed within our organization our
Okay.
own special GPT solution.
Okay.
So we have like our own special lockdown Amazon warehouse that nobody can use their chat GPT for. So
Yeah.
it's our own chat GPT for our company that's locked down and secured by Amazon.
Gotcha.
So we have our own like large language model that can be built with the data that we have in our
Gotcha.
environment, and we can be confident putting it in there.
Okay.
Because it's our own secure
Yeah.
cloud for the AI.
Gotcha.
And the way I think about AI is it'll never take your job unless you're bad at your job. AI is, like, I don't know if you've ever heard in IT, but
No.
people always say 80% of my job is Googling.
Okay.
And so basically what AI does, it's the best Google you can find.
Gotcha.
It is like if I'm trying to make a Python script or a JavaScript, right? I used to just go to Google and try to find bits and pieces of the script that I need and put it all together.
Gotcha.
Now I go to our little ZGPT, that we call it, and I just type in, hey, this is the scenario. I'm using this coding language. Here's what I need. Iterate through this. Like I use Python for API connections. Iterate through this API that has a list of users and spit back out to me all the list of users.
Gotcha.
And I'll literally give it that prompt. Boom. I got a script. It's the best. And so that's how I think of it. It's the best. Because if you don't know jack shit about scripting,
Yeah.
you're just gonna paste the code in there. One, you're not gonna know how to prompt it properly.
Yeah.
You got to prompt it properly to get the answer you need. And if you're not smart enough with the coding you're trying to do, you're not gonna find any of the flaws because none of it's perfect. None of the
Gotcha.
AI is perfect. So if I didn't have the knowledge to actually be able to look at the code it gives me and say, oh, I know that's wrong, I need to update that. So that's kind of where lies the problem with AI about taking people's jobs. I think the people that are worried about it are the people that may not be great at their jobs and are relying too heavily on the AI. So they're afraid that because they're relying so heavily on that AI,
I think
they're going to be fizzled out.
I think it depends on which type of AI. So like humanoid robots, I think is kind of a...
Well, those are far and far away.
I don't think so. I beg to differ on that. I've seen...
They operate, they function, but... Like, have you seen the video of the Chinese robots playing soccer?
Yeah.
It's fun. It's funny to watch, but it's one of those things where I think they need to, I don't know if, because it's all based on large language models.
Yes.
And the AI only knows what we code it to know. And so once the coding is better and all of the AI, like the back end, because it's very complicated, like programming.
Are you talking about like C++ coding?
No.
Okay, I was like, no. Okay.
Like it just has its own like actual ecosystem of coding and infrastructure, and I think that's kind of where it's in its infancy still.
Gotcha.
It's very much in its infancy, but if things are done properly, it's going to not just help people do better at their jobs. If used right, it's going to create more jobs because companies are going to be they're going to be deploying, implementing all these AI solutions, but what if they don't have anyone that's good with AI?
Or maintaining them.
Exactly.
Yes.
And so it's going to create more jobs with people in the AI space because companies are going to start creating AI teams like my company has.
Yeah.
So
I would say humanoid robots is going to probably accelerate faster than I think people realize.
Oh, yeah.
And then the second one will be autonomous vehicles, because I consider autonomous vehicles like this one as an AI robot.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
So I think in those generations of transportation and human labor, I think is absolutely going to be almost a key factor. I would say by somewhere in the 2030s, 2030, 2035, I think our whole world's going to be quite different in the next, I would say, 10, 15 years.
Yeah. I mean, when I worked at Uber in 2017, I worked in the Phoenix office.
Okay.
And I lived in Tempe, and we had the self-driving cars back in 2017. And I saw the computer inside of the trunk of one of those. Bro, it was like 1080 Ti GPUs at the time back then.
Yeah.
Because they don't use processors. GPUs are way better for power for like processing stuff. And so it's like the cameras are going constantly. It's taking in, teraflops of data. It's crazy. It's so cool though.
I believe that Uber will be dead in the next 5 years.
Really?
Yeah, 100%.
See,
how's Uber going to compete with Tesla with their autonomous vehicles? There's only one way that Uber has kind of done it, is that they teamed up with Tesla for the semis. That might be able to save them, but in the essence of, say, my job, well, which I really am not too concerned about, because my cars will be able to go on Tesla's network, I believe Uber will not have that capacity unless Uber just purchases Tesla vehicles and just says that they're Ubers. That's the only way I think that they survive.
I wouldn't be surprised if Elon pitched that to Uber. To be honest with you,
Elon will not pitch that to Uber, because Elon and Tesla has their own ecosystem with Robotaxi network right now, currently in Austin and San Francisco. So that's why I believe Uber will be dead within the next 5 years, unless they figure out a way to get in autonomous vehicles. Because one, they're not a manufacturing car company. Two, they don't have the technology to do it. But yes, they're teaming up with Lucid, but Lucid's far behind, because more than likely that they're going to have to use Tesla's full self-drive capability in order for them to try to compete for licensing.
Yeah.
So that's just my opinion. A lot of people have controversial opinions on that, or people don't believe that, and I believe that like Ford, GM, Daimler, Chrysler, I think all those guys will be extinct unless they go into electric vehicles and autonomous vehicles. Because if not, they're toast. It's only a matter of time till the more cost per battery goes down per kilowatt, which is already substantially down. And if this car can drive itself, why would anybody else want to be in a gas-powered vehicle? In my opinion. I mean,
I'm a muscle car guy, so
yeah, of course.
Give me the open headers, 500 horsepower Hemi all day. But don't get me wrong, I love the idea of the Tesla, and I think it's a fucking awesome car. And it works very well, and every time I'm in one, like I said, I don't think I ever choose anything other than comfort electric on purpose.
That's
what
great.
I mean? So
that's awesome. I just think that's just my controversial opinions on like Uber and AI and like I was like trying to figure out like, hey, can AI overtake your position in that sense?
No,
and write the code and then deploy the code and then maintain the code and do all this other stuff. I mean,
AI in my world is more so going to be used for like finding attack vectors and that the human eye may not find.
Gotcha.
Or that the human eye would take a week or two to find. Or having an AI look through your, and I don't like to say AI, it's really just like a chat bot essentially.
Yeah.
Like having them look through and audit your code, or look through and have them audit like your network, or things like that. Like I would say it's like, do you know what a pen test is?
No.
A penetration test? So
okay, yeah. Okay, now I know.
Yeah. Higher third party.
I'm like, I never heard of pen test, but penetration? Yes, now I have.
Yeah, pen test. Short.
Yeah.
So like with a pen test, basically nobody in the company knows, even in IT security, except like the VP and the CISO. Those are the only two people really that know, and usually like the director of compliance.
Yeah.
And for instances like that, like an AI pen test would be unbelievable, because an AI could go through and touch every single thing on your network, and if it knows what to look for, it could very easily find something that maybe the naked eye couldn't.
Like instantly, or does it take a little time for that compute power
I would. I mean, probably. It depends. Like if you're having it, let's say you have an Active Directory with like 5 domain controllers and 100,000 AD user accounts. It's probably only going to take 30 minutes to go through all that.
Okay.
It's very fast. And I think that's why there's the benefit there, is because it's so much faster.
Gotcha.
And once quantum computing becomes a thing, I've been really into that. I want to learn that too.
Yeah.
Like actually coding it and stuff. Like quantum computing will accelerate AI to infinity.
Yeah. I
mean, quantum computing, you can have something in a state of 0 and 1 at the same time.
Almost like Skynet, almost learning by itself. And that type of...
Quantum computing it's computing at the quantum physical level. So at the atomic level, the atom, they are taking an atom and freezing it to minus 500 degrees or whatever it is, and they put it into a state of a super state.
Okay.
And so it can go into what's called quantum superposition, where it can be two places at once but still connected. And that's how quantum computing is so powerful, because it can do this operation and that operation and all of them in between at the same time. Yep. Very, very fucking cool.
I think we're in the beginning stages of quantum computing.
Very beginning.
Correct?
Very beginning.
Okay.
The biggest one, so they like a regular CPU goes by like cores and threads and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So a quantum processor goes in qubits, quantum bits. The biggest one I think is like a couple hundred right now. And we have server processors, like we have GPUs with like 1.8 million transistors, and it has like 20 or no, like a lot of the newer ones have like 3,000 cores, like processing cores on the GPU. So like NVIDIA, if you ever look at the CUDA cores, if you see 384 CUDA cores, that's basically 384 CPUs inside the GPU to process all the graphics. Yeah, that's why companies like CAD companies, they use special video card drivers, or they use the special video cards that are like $4,000 or $5,000 for rendering. Sorry.
Jeez.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm at the Lamplight right now. Yeah, I'm at the Lamplight. I'll literally be there in like two seconds.
2 minutes.
All right, love you. Bye. 2 seconds, 2 minutes.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just think technology is going to be very interesting in the next decade. It's just going to be, I think, fast moving. I don't think a lot of people are just prepared for it.
Yeah, I've been in,
because you're in it.
I've been in it for 15 years. So I've seen like the change. Like it's crazy, and like to your point, the next 10 years is going to be even more like accelerated than the past 10 years. Yep.
Yeah.
What's it called? Moore's law? No. After 18 months, the technology is already obsolete. I think it's called Moore's Law. I can't remember.
Is it Moore's Law?
Yeah, I was just about to do that.
I'm all looking now.
Moore's Law. Yeah, it actually is Moore's Law.
Okay.
Ha! Fuck yeah! I pulled that straight out of the ass.
I was like, I think that sounds familiar.
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah.
not sure. I haven't heard it in a while.
Oh, that's one of those like dad moments. Like, yes, I remembered. Or when you're with your wife and you guys are talking, and then 2 hours later you remember what you said.
I remember.
I told you.
It's like you're like, I forget, but it'll come to me later.
Yeah. Don't be scared when I yell it at you randomly.
Yeah.
Oh, you made perfect timing. I was trying to get home with my daughter from school.
Perfect time. Bro, are we in Europe? Back up. Back up. Back up. Are these people serious?
Bro, don't even worry about it. I'll get out right here, bro. You're good. This guy's a fucking idiot, bro. You're good, man. You're good.
You're in the wrong lane. Go in the other lane. Reverse. Back up and then go this way. Hope you get hit. Fuck.